Hello TV fam, 14th day as a bakasyonista. Andito tayo sa Rosario, Pamanang Panlasa, panibagong restaurant. Actually sabi nila dating Josephine's daw to eh. And they're currently serving buffet. Medyo may pila lang kasi pang pito tayo. So mag-aantay muna tayo bago ko mapakita sa inyo kung ano yung sineserve nila sa loob.
You got me so bad, you make it all slow down, like getting closer, you're killing me. You got us over.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa Halo Salo Cafe Restaurant. Kanina nga, nag-lunch tayo sa Rosario, no? And ito naman, dito tayo sa panibagong location here sa Tagaytay for some dessert. Tingnan natin kung ano meron sa loob. Nice place. Ayan, may table na mahaba. Ito, may parking din sila sa likod. Ayan. Malaki yung place. Meron din sa baba. Ayan, oh. Hello. Tapos may parang outside seating sa air sa labas. That's good. Ayan. Pero mas maaliwalas dito sa taas. Kaya dito tayo sa taas.
Sino ba yung con crema? Mango con crema? Oo, sa kanya. Ito ba yung con crema?
Ooh, mango Oreo halo halo.
Wait.
That's mango Oreo halo halo. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Nordic Infinity Villa dito sa Tagaytay. And gusto ko lang ipakita sa inyo yung area, no? So, yung buong villa, it comes with 4, I think, parking slots. And then yung driveway, pwede pa mag-park dyan siguro. So, total of mga siguro 5 cars. And then there's one villa here. Another one here. And then ito yung parang pinaka main house. So siguro ituturo ko muna kayo dito sa first main villa no Nordic Infinity. So pasok tayo. So pagpasok na pagpasok from the main door, makikita nyo naman, di ba? Parang very homey. The place is meron daw kasamang complimentary drinks and treats. As you can see, welcome to Nordic Villas. Vidad family, enjoy your stay. And then it comes already equipped with Wi-Fi password. You have a parang what do you call this? A karaoke area. Not to mention PlayStation 5 area din. Pwede ka maglaro ng games. Good size dining room. At tingnan naman, meron pang pa-swing effect. The place is looks homey, no? Maganda siya, maaliwalas. And then you have what do you call this? Lounges here na turns into a bed. Yun yung sabi. And then you have a kitchen here. The main kitchen is actually outside, pero mamaya ako napapakita sa inyo yan. pakita ko muna sa inyo kung ano laman itong dito, nung main villas dito sa loob. Ito yung parang pinaka-master's bedroom. As you can see. Good size bed. I think this is queen. Air-conditioned yung room. Nice glass. Medyo yung mga ganito, natatakot ka kung ano, di ba? Parang double pane. But it looks, the mirror, it looks legit. Siyempre, tingin-tingin tayo, no? And then, open natin to. Ooh. Nice. Bathroom. Laki yung bathroom niya. Meron pang rock effect and design. Not bad. Yan. Good space. Good space. Binukas ko na yung ilaw para at least makita ng mga tao pag pumapasok sila. That's the smaller bedroom, no?
Yeah.
And then here is the other bedroom. Bunk bed style. Dalawa siya. Yan. Pwede na natin bukas yung AC dito. Hindi ko lang alam kung nasa yung remote. Ito. Bukas na rin natin. Para mas ulit.
Oh. Jesus.
So this is the second bedroom. Bunk bed style. And then here's the other bathroom. Good size. High ceiling, yun yung maganda. Pati ang ilaw. And then, third bedroom is this one, which is through and through siya. Bunk bed style. And then, papunta siya dito sa pinaka-main room. Yun.
Other daw in the living room.
Na-open na ba yung AC? Oh yeah, the AC is open. Basically, wraps up yung room tour natin dito sa parang pinaka-main villa. Where's yung other villa? Is the far?
It's not the second, the middle one.
The middle one.
Yeah.
It's open?
It's open.
Sige, let's take a look. I'll take a look.
Yung, andun, yung farther side.
Farthest side?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's one above the stairs, man.
Huh?
Farthest side or this one in the middle?
The black door.
The black door? Okay. Ayan. Punta naman natin yung other villa. Ito, black door. This is the other one. So, meron pa siya actually dito eh. Pero, ito daw yung kasama sa amin. So, pasukin natin yung next villa. Ooh! Look at this! Not bad. Basta yung ilaw. Anyway. Nice. High ceiling. May loft. Has a double bed. Puntahan natin. Ayan. There's a loft. Double bed. Comes with a fan, desk, and then ito yung view from the loft. Ayan. Pamaya, pagkatapos ng tour natin, papakita ko sa inyo or i-share ko sa inyo kung magkano ang renta dito. Check-in time is around 3. Just like any other resort, 3. Check-out time is at 12. Sliding door, this is the washroom. Bukas na ilaw. There you go. Nice subway tiles. Comes with a shower. This turns into another bed. So, in terms of capacity, and pati pala ito, this turns into a bed. In terms of capacity, madami talagang pwedeng sumama at sa inyo sa mga gantong klaseng overnight staycation na ginagawa nyo, no? So, yeah. This is one of the villas. I'm assuming there's other 2 more villas on the side. So 3, I think there's total of 4 villas. What we have rented is 2 villas. The main one and one in the middle, which is this. Mamaya. Again, pagkatapos nung ating tour, pakita ko sabihin ko sa inyo kung magkano ba per night ang renta dito sa resort na to. Nordic Infinity Villa. Okay. Comes with parang ano, arcade. You have a basketball, billiard, and then an actual game. Ano na si Clark naglalaro. Hey Shanky! Hey Shanky! And then you have a football table. At ano ba to? Washroom to. Tignan natin. Ano bang washroom to? Oh, it's closed. So yun yung outdoors. And then you have a jacuzzi, a pool.
Okay, hindi na natin papatagalin pa. Ang rent dito ay nag-range between 16,000 up to 30,000 pesos per night. Usually, mas mura siya on a weekday as compared to kung magbubook kayo over the weekends. For our rent here, probably, and again, this is just me saying yung approximate amount, I think we paid between 22,000 and 28,000 pesos. Kasi nga, Sunday siya, crossing over a Monday, which is still considered weekend. And apart from that, imo-montage ko na lang para makita nyo yung entire vicinity ng Nordic Infinity Villa.
You're wishing for. You got it love, 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 love. Breaking it down, shaking inside and running your mouth. I'm down with a frown, oh, but shit, you turn it around. You ever realize the world, but every time I've seen it before, I feel some kind of way. You got me coming back for more and you drive me insane. I know you got so many issues, I ain't trying to fix you, cause you know